Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Overwatch drops on Twitch. Earning these exclusive in-game items is straightforward once you know the steps. First, you'll need to connect your gaming and streaming accounts. Then, you'll discover how to find the right streams to watch. Finally, we'll cover how to claim your rewards so they appear in your game. Let's dive into the easy method for securing those coveted drops. The first crucial step is linking your Battle, Net and Twitch accounts. Head to the Battle, Net Connections page and log in. Scroll down until you find the Twitch option and click Connect. You'll then be prompted to log into your Twitch account and authorize the connection. If you ever reset your Twitch password, remember to relink your accounts to ensure you keep earning drops. Once your accounts are linked, it's time to find eligible streams. Look for Overwatch channels on Twitch that have the drops enabled tag or mention drops enabled in their title. You need to watch these streams for specific durations, like 1 hour for a spray or 3 hours for a name card. You can even switch between different eligible streamers without losing your watch time progress. Just ensure your ad blockers are off. After watching for the required time, you must claim your drops. You'll see a notification on Twitch, or you can visit your drops inventory page. It's important to claim each reward as you earn it, as this allows you to start accumulating watch time for subsequent drops in a campaign. While drops usually appear in-game within 24 hours, sometimes it can take up to 72 hours. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.